In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Then Allow in the second one, and finally Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle and adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. When you finished, hit OK. Now select sound. Click on vibration at the top to disable vibrations completely, setting up standard version or picking one of those patterns. Now you can click on music on device to pick any song from your smartphone and go back, or select one of those melodies by clicking on a perfect one. Following that, after you go back, hit label to name your alarm and OK to save its name. Then choose ring duration to decide how many minutes it will take. Tap on snooze duration to decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, select OK. Now to save your alarm, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. To turn it back on, use the same now gray switcher. If you want to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes and tap on the check mark. To get rid of it, click on it again, but this time choose delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!